everybody, let's open this video.
Oh my God, alright.
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, hello, these people.
What's up, it's people? What's up?
Yo, what's up, everybody? These people.
It's too narrow.
It's okay lah, it's okay lah.
Okay, this section we will have a week podcast discussing
Yes.
about the moment of three of us based on what our feelings, what we see, what we feel,
And
what we heard maybe,
yeah, what we done maybe
what we
also.
done, yeah,
So everything
Yeah,
about our
everything.
experiences in the past week though.
yeah, in the week.
In a week. Yeah.
The most interesting moment starting from
You dong. Oh, Izar dong.
Oh,
Ya,
I'm the
Dua
one.
inilah the one.
freshman.
Yeah,
yo,
freshman.
Our ini our ini.
Fresh
Our
meat.
new member.
The new member of this podcast, yeah.
Yep. Fresh
Okay.
meat and fresh fat.
Yes, exactly. I'm really fat actually. 2 days ago, actually, I taught in one class. Okay, so in this class actually, several teachers from my schools perceive that some of the students are
Some of students?
some of the students are not a good students.
Mm.
They labeled as delinquent. Sometimes they are
Tahu nggak?
joking.
You know apa nggak arti delinquent? Delinquent tuh pembuat masalah.
Yes,
Troublemaker.
troublemaker.
Trouble.
Delinquent tuh troublemaker.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
And then one time in the last week,
Mm.
I asked them to do a presentation
Yeah.
for the assignment. Yeah. In my at that time, my expectation was
Low.
okay,
Kayaknya low ya.
kind of low.
Kinda
Okay,
low.
for example, I know that a guy named A. Yeah, for example, oh my God, the A must be just read, but unexpectedly, when I sit and try to assess their presentation,
Assess itu artinya menilai.
menilai,
Ah.
scoring their
Scoring.
presentation, yeah. I almost cried because
Why?
why? This delinquent, they do presentation. The worst thing is in English, man.
Full.
It full.
Oh.
Even he is stuttering a bit, and he tried to present that so well, and I'm just, oh my God, I never expect this. And it's not just a one students from the of course there are so many smart students
Yeah.
in my class at that time, but we can say that 10 of them are delinquent. But
Delinquent perform better.
no, the better no, but the
Oh.
7 of the delinquents, they reach or break their own limits.
Ah.
And at that time, I'm just unconsciously say that, guys, I'm so proud of you, and the class was so silent. And yeah, thank you, Miss. Yes, I'm really proud to my students because for the first time, I think that I am being success as a teacher. It's not because they can speak English, but they try so hard to learn English. Man, just imagine that a people who never speak English, he just know yes, Mister, yes, good, yes. But suddenly, with just 4 days preparation of presentation, he presented it in a fully English, even as a stuttering man. I'm so proud of them. That's why I'm really happy, and I'm so proud to them.
Think
That's my experience, bro.
Yet the thing, but delinquent not meaning that they are stupid. They
course.
just like sometimes act out of the rule.
Out of the box, maybe
Yeah,
we
out
can
of
say.
the rule and out of the box.
Need paying
sometimes.
attention.
Yeah.
Yeah, need more attention.
More
sometimes.
attention.
But the thing is, I'm not underestimate them. But the thing is, I never expect they will
Oh.
really pass
Yeah.
out the limit, man. I think, for example,
It means
Yeah.
probably you are set the what is it?
The boundaries.
You are set the bare minimum is so low gitu. For them. But somehow they break the limit, that's a thing.
Man, because in the last semester, when they were 11th grade,
Mm.
actually, I have done same presentation and it's really messed up. That's why, okay, maybe I just put the bare minimum, the minimum so low lah. But wow, they expect so much, and I'm so happy because of that.
Maybe your homework is try to find out what happened to them.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
see.
In the other day.
Because
Yeah.
people doing something and motivated by something, it is apa ya? There's a reason for it.
Okay, I guess I gotta find that.
Especially the delinquent ya.
Yeah, of course.
They must be what is it? Try to achieve something, I think.
Oke, oke.
I don't know who's the reinforce dari siapa, entar reinforce dari orang tuanya kah, dari
Environment.
si environment kah, bagaimana, we just never know. That's the thing.
I see, I see. Maybe that will be my homework ya.
Yep.
After this one. Okay,
Finding the
thank you so
reason why it happened
Why
suddenly.
Iya, why
it's suddenly.
kenapa troublemaker tiba-tiba bisa
Or
tiba-
Excited,
maybe
ya.
the heartbroken is so broke and then try to push it and prove it.
Maybe, but
Because
I'm-
many people said you are delinquent,
Yeah.
and I have a chance in Mr. Izar who doesn't say it. before.
Yeah, of course. I never said they are delinquent. To be honest, yeah.
Yeah.
Even for example, some of the teachers maybe like to scolding them, right? Like to scolding them so much. But when, for example, I see my students doing something bad or joking when I'm explaining my materials, I just make them as an example.
Yeah.
Okay, for example, Mr. Nelan, you're delinquent. Okay, Mr. Nelan, come here to the front of the class. Everybody take a look at Mr. Nelan, like that. I always doing that, and I never, what is that, scolding my students in the front of the class. I never. When somebody's doing bad, yeah, I'm just asking them to talk face to face and heart to heart. So, apa ya? There is nobody will be get hurt because of my words.
And about me, I have a question for all of you because of my experience.
Okay, what is it? What is it?
It is
It's
about the
interesting.
classroom also. How people can match and fix the emotional at the same time
what
with
emotional
different
what?
people. You know, like maybe you always sometimes you teach in a classroom
Okay.
and then the atmosphere of the student is not matched
I
between each
see.
other. And
It's like
make-
there's a
you
conflict
make
between them.
your atmosphere for teaching is not good, right? Because the emotional of
Tension.
the student tension is
Yeah,
not good.
yeah, that's good.
Yeah. But in my case, there is a class that all of them is matched. It's like when you come to the class, your spirit is boom.
Connected gitu ya with
Ah,
they
I see, I see.
synchronize.
Yeah.
They synchronize.
Either you teach good or just teach.
only teach.
Only teach, or you just come to the class and only teach it. It's like you recharge your energy.
I see. I get that point. I get that point. I know.
You come to the circle, the people,
people.
is fun, you know, right?
Yeah.
It recharge your mood. Right?
Ah,
The
I see,
thing
I
is,
see.
gini,
What happened to
it means
them, actually?
it means if you so it means when you are going
Yeah.
into the class,
Yeah,
that class
Mm-mm.
is not fun, right?
It's fun, really fun.
Wait. All of the class fun.
Fun.
All of the class fun.
All of the people fun. How come?
You jadi gini. So in A class you
Yeah.
fun.
Yeah.
You feel like wow you are so synchronized with
You're
them.
comfort with them, ya.
In the B
Yeah.
class you are not feel like this one. In the A. Kayak gitu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
It means
My question is how the class pick randomly, right?
Yeah.
Yes, by some people.
so the
And
trouble
then-
is about the student right now.
not to shoot it. How people
How
can
to
handle the same
handle.
emotion at the same time, you know?
How you so you want to handle people emotional?
No. I mean how the classmate, all of the classmates, all the 30 something students
Uh-uh.
can have the same emotional, the same atmosphere, the same vibe. Respect.
For what I see
No
when
bullying. Even you know, right?
Yeah.
Between you and me, bully each other, but the
Yeah.
atmosphere is still good, right?
Yeah.
Ah.
It's only 3%, but 30, more than 30%.
It's going to
Actually,
be so much.
in the class there's always a gang, right?
Yeah,
There's a good gang, bad gang,
Yeah.
smart gang.
I know.
stupid
In
gang,
that class
something
also
like that.
there is a gang, this gang, but
Mm.
between another gang,
Is kinda
no
class.
conflict.
No, oh, why?
It's
How?
okay.
But
That's why
You-
the question.
it means problem with you, bro. If you feel not that thing.
I feel that good thing. I feel happy to teach.
And yeah, I
In
know.
that class.
But there's a difference between the A class and the B class, right?
Yeah.
You said
I don't
itu.
think I don't say about the B class and A class. I just discuss about the A class, the fun class. The question is how, in your opinion, how people can build the same
Oh.
atmosphere,
Oh, how to
They ya
together.
tadi berarti respect.
respect,
Dude.
yeah.
One respect. Second thing is they look at you. I mean like apa ya? They apa namanya?
Not because of me, because of the class. The class.
Oh, okay.
Either another teacher or me,
yang masuk.
yeah.
The vibe of
The
the
vibe
ini.
is the same.
So it oh I see.
Uh-uh.
Yeah probably also the kids juga berarti.
Yeah, that's why I asked you,
You said
about that.
how
They can build that kind of atmosphere.
togetherness lah, of course.
Togetherness.
Togetherness.
Of course, togetherness.
Fairness.
There's a different.
It's warm, you know.
Yeah.
I
Hangat
know.
banget gitu.
I know
Yeah.
it's warm,
There's
it's
a difference.
comforting,
Yeah,
right?
Comforting.
It's like-
charging.
in my case, used to be like there's a class gini. It's like user I ever handle the most delinquent class in the school.
Hmm.
The most loh ya, the most nih.
Yeah, yeah. It's
Dude,
superlative.
the thing is, if you see my Instagram right now, they still there on my Instagram. If you see me taking picture with the kids,
Yeah.
yang botak-botak kayak anak susuran, nah, dude, itu anak-anak yang consider by the teacher, they're most delinquent student,
Hmm.
number one. Ibaratnya yang ada yang teacher masih itu bahasa itu males.
Hmm.
But when I ever try to teach them, I'm okay with that thing.
Because
They're
of
good.
respect.
Yes, because I respect them and they respect me.
Hmm.
That's the thing, ya. In the end ya, when I just come to their class, ya tadi, there's nothing happen like this and that yang the other people complain to me gitu.
Yeah.
This guy is kinda hard to teach. Okay, I know they hard to teach because ya you know gitu tuh. Dia kayak delinquent gitu, hard to ini sometimes.
Hard to handle.
Hard to handle, but sometimes for me when I come, I think it's okay. There's no problem with them. They only need more, ya, force, but not force ya, you know, force yang
Yeah.
Yeah, I see.
apa ya, force yang tidak di force.
No, I
gitu.
think
Yeah,
they
yeah,
just
yeah,
need to
Smooth force.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they just need to be
Smooth
what is that?
push gitu.
Holding
Yeah.
it.
Push.
Iya, they want to be hold his or their hand lah gitu kasarnya gitu, nggak yang di push segitunya nggak. They just like sometimes.
But how about my case?
In your case probably yang tadi gimana caranya? Bukan itu udah ya? You said. Itu udah, man. Ngapain lo?
I
Kan
guess.
There's already good interaction between them.
Yeah.
So that's good. Why you must? They already.
No, dude. Listen.
Okay,
Actually, in my opinion, Mr. Nelan was asking to you about how can they be so solid. That's
Yeah.
the thing.
How people can be so
How
solid.
can we be like that?
Togetherness, dude.
Togetherness.
That's it.
Togetherness, of course.
Togetherness, and sometimes when they do one, they always had the one who leader, the one who become the leader that will apa namanya?
I think there is no reader.
Okay, I don't agree with this. I have an opinion.
Yeah,
I don't agree.
Probably right.
As far as I
Probably.
see, I don't see a leader.
Of course,
I
I
don't
agree
know
with
how.
that. Let
How
me tell you
is it?
something. This is the case is the same with my class actually because I class with all the students here from this class, so I know what they feel. Actually, the reason why they are really can work together and bring a good vibes is because first, yes, togetherness.
Togetherness, of
And
course.
the togetherness is built from talking to each other without any limitation or boundaries. So in that class, actually, all the people like to talk with each other, Mr. Nelan.
Yeah.
For example, there are my gang, and your gang.
Yep.
Sometimes you bring your gang and meet with my gang and we talk together. And sometimes
Yep.
you, Mr. Sandy, and sometimes we discuss it together. So
Nah,
there is the
The
reason
other
is
question
communication.
is how people can share a lot of things to each other
To each other
and
because
become togetherness and
Somehow,
building a warm vibe.
for any reason, sometimes we have same shit situation. That's the
Okay,
thing.
yeah, really. It's
That
yeah.
situation.
The same
We are share the
situation,
same
of
shit
course.
situation, dude.
Either
Come
that shit is
on.
good or that shit is
Bad.
bad.
Yeah.
Both
Yes.
of it lah.
The
Of course.
thing is the shit.
Yeah, we have the same condition sometimes.
Exactly.
That's the thing that can we understand each other, bro. That's the
Yeah.
thing.
Of course. Sometimes you know that if we want to talk, we need to have a same topic or same experience, right? Even the experience is different a bit, and even it's the same a bit, it will impact. For example, I have failed my math test, and you failed your English test. We both have the same thing. Fail. It can be. It can be the S that we are going to talk about actually, and we'll make a bond. And after the bond created, yeah, we just maintain it, and that's what make the class vibe is good like that. In my opinion.
In a good case when
Same people with the same condition.
Yeah.
same
of
people
course.
with the same problem.
Yeah, exactly.
And then somehow
Really.
find the good solution of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's ada sometimes.
It's like two people in problems, they finding a solution that can never be solved.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah, that's the thing. That's why they keep
Okay, I
on
will
looking
bring this topic to the next meeting.
Ah.
For. What is it?
How people can find the solution to the same problem.
Oh
If
my
the
God.
solution is solutive or
Unsolutive.
unsolutive.
Ya ya.
Real brother and sister.
Yo, see you,
Bye.
bye.